Hi guys, very simple set of dust to down outdoor welcomes for review purposes. So let's take them out of the box. They come very well protected with, okay, as you can see, very well protected as you can see. Okay, this is our proper um, these are the proper welcomes. Okay, they come with everything you need to install them. Okay, they have as I've said, the motion sense, the dust down sensor in here. Have a really nice finish with the golden trim, which I think it's really nice. And they come with everything you need to install them. So let's go ahead and start installing them up and see how they work. Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, you can see they've already installed. I think they look really, really nice. They're very practical because, as I've said, they have the dust down sensor. So when it gets nighttime, like right now, they turn automatically on. So it's very convenient because you just sit in the front of your house in the entrance, and they will turn on automatically. Which I think it's a really, really nice function. I like them a lot. They look really beautiful. I like how they look. And they were really easy to install. Just some basic wiring, some screws to the base, and that's all. And I would really recommend it. See you guys.